The Carbon Dilemma, an animated short film by CarbonTrans. Hi there, I'm a carbon atom. You can call me Carbi. Today I'd like to talk to you about the dilemma that revolves around me. I like to call it the Carbon Dilemma. But before I start, what am I actually? What is carbon? To answer this question, let's have a quick look at the periodic table of chemical elements. Carbon is a chemical element which belongs to group 14 in the periodic table. Its name comes from the Latin word carbo. But there's more to me than that. In fact, you come across me in your daily life. Let me show you. For instance, in the pure form as a diamond. Or in your pencil lead as graphite. Or as composite material in the automobile industry. As a chemically bounded compound, you can find me in crude oil, and also in natural gas. However, you may know me best as carbon dioxide or CO2, namely as part of the air around us. You can also find me in biomass and coal. I am also part of the rocks in the Dolomites in Italy. You can also find me in your everyday life. I'll give you a few examples. Let me think for a second. At home, in clothing, in food, in fuel, in cosmetics, and in toys. And not just in our daily life. I'm also an essential part of your body. In fact, I'm the second largest part of it. Just have a look. I hope you can see now how indispensable I am for life. However, unfortunately, I also cause many problems. The dark side of carbon. Global warming and extreme weather events. Global pollution through littering and dumping of trash. Disintegration of plastic waste takes up to 450 years. But why am I such a dilemma? Imagine a balancing scale. On one hand, I am indispensable for almost every part of daily life. On the other hand, I cause damage to the environment and have a negative impact on the climate. The question is, how can we achieve a balance between our need for carbon and environmental protection? This is exactly the question which is addressed by the team CarbonTrans at the Institute of Energy Process Engineering and Chemical Engineering, situated at the TU Berg Academy, Freiburg. A short animated film by the junior research group Global Change. CarbonTrans at the Institute of Energy Process Engineering and Chemical Engineering, TU Berg Academy, Freiburg. I am Hayden, and I am the voice of Carbi.